Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are just stumbling upon this video, be sure to click that subscribe button. It's either like right here or it's right here. Hit the notification bell and that will notify you every time I upload a new video. I'm so excited to be filming this video today. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Jeffree Star unboxing video. I have my box right here and I have my little, this wasn't a thank you note from him, but just to cover my address kind of thing. Just thank you, and also thank you to Jeffree Star for sending me my package that I ordered. So, yeah. So, package is right here. It's not in a pink box. I'm pretty surprised. So, yeah, when I picked it up, I was like, oh, it's not pink. That is interesting. I have my X-Acto knife right here. I am slicing it open. So, I've had this for a little while now. Jeffree Star was doing a huge, pretty decent sized sale on 4th of July, so I took advantage of that. He was doing free shipping, and I think it was like 50% off either selected items or a few items. I don't remember, or the whole website. I couldn't remember what it was, but I took advantage because he rarely has free shipping. So I was like, you need to get it. I've been wanting this liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star for quite some time. So the box opens up this way. Normally it like opens that way. Unless he has a new, yeah. Okay. So I have my wrapped in pink tissue paper, the Jeffree Star logo tissue paper. I think I should just keep this tissue paper because it's really cute. It's actually really cute. I think my friend Teresa like keeps her tissue paper that she gets from Jeffree Star. That's really cute tissue paper. This is really, really cute. Okay, so yeah, so we had a sale and I was like, okay, you need to buy it. And I was like, I'll buy it. So his liquid lipsticks were on sale for $12, and I think they were like on sale for $12 or something like that. But my total came out to like $13.79, and I ordered a liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick, oh my god, and then the little sticker. Look how cute that is. So cute. Jeffree Star. This is probably the best packaging, package I've ever gotten. I love that he puts, his thought and is that the right word? He thinks about, packaging and, his, custom tissue paper and everything like that. I think that's so cute. I low-key want to keep this sticker and, I don't know, I want to stick it on something. Maybe I'll stick it... Oh no. Come on. Please. I'll stick it on the back of my... Okay. I'm going to stick it on the back of my phone. Because it's just cute, okay? There you go. I'll put it on the back of my phone. So he had a sale. Like I said, he was doing his 4th of July sale. And I just took advantage because it was free shipping. Jeffree Star really does free shipping. And so I took advantage of that. So here's my package. I got one liquid lipstick. I've wanted this liquid lipstick for quite some time. Okay, so they wrap it in tissue paper and bubble wrap, which is even nicer. And this bubble wrap is pink. Just all pink, because it's Jeffree Star. So I have the liquid lipstick Dirty Money already from Jeffree Star. I have a lip swatch video and unboxing, and I'll have that link below or in the cards if I can figure out how to do that. But I'll definitely have it linked below. And yeah, I've been wanting that one for ever, and then this one that I just purchased for ever as well. And so I finally was like, okay, you should get it. It's on sale and it's free shipping, today's the day to buy it. So The shade I bought was, I got Posh Spice. So you can't really see it. But here's what the packaging looks like. And I would go into Morphe and like swatch it in Morphe and everything and want to buy it there. But then I was like, no, don't buy it. Don't buy it. And then, yeah, he had a sale and I was super excited. So I'm about to take it out. Oh. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh, it's gonna look so good with... I think we should swatch it now. Let's do a little unboxing slash swatch video. So this is what the liquid lipstick looks like. It's so pretty. It's a gray nude shade. I love it. Love it so much, Jeffree. Okay, let's get a mirror. Okay, so I have my little Sephora mirror. So we are going to open this up for the first time. Nice. Okay, so let's get to swatching this liquid lipstick. I love Jeffree Star's formula. Ooh, I love this shade. It's so pretty. Ooh, I love this shade. Oh, so pretty. Alrighty, so swatched. And these are a liquid to matte formula. If you don't know. Oh my god, I love this shade so much. Oh, Jeffree, this shade is so pretty. I love this shade so much. Let me swatch it on the back of my hand as well. So there it is right here on the back of my hand. Ooh, I love this shade. It's such a pretty shade. I think it's like the perfect like gray like nude shade. I love it so much. I'm so happy about this. I love it. So this is what Jeffree Star Cosmetics Posh Spice looks like on my lips. And what it looks like with the eye color. What do you guys think? So that is it. This is my unboxing slash swatch video on my new liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star called Posh Spice. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing slash swatch video on my new liquid lipstick. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of these types of videos. Comment below what you guys want to see next. And subscribe to my channel if you are new. And Jeffree Star, thank you so much for creating this gorgeous shade. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.